Hey guys, back with another video for my addicted blogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing about the new temperature sensor which is there in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and with this sensor you can measure the temperature directly from the watch itself, and obviously this feature is there in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, although it is a hidden secret feature as Samsung has not officially discussed about this temperature sensor out there. So definitely in this video I will be discussing about how we can measure the temperature via the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has been there for a while and it comes with a lot of features, and among them now you can also measure the temperature directly. So there are a lot of apps with which you can measure the temperature, and some of the apps doesn't even work, but I am going to tell the app which definitely gives you the correct temperature out there. So you need to go to the Play Store in the watch and search for the thermometer app. So once you search with thermometer, you will see that the first app which will come with the name thermometer, you need to install this app, and this is the app which can give you the temperature via this watch. So once you have installed it, you need to open it and I will show you what is the temperature it is showing right here right now. Unfortunately the app doesn't come with an icon, and this app will have a complete white or blank icon in there. Once you have identified it, you just need to open it and you will see the temperature it is showing. So this temperature is not the body temperature, this temperature is the temperature of the watch itself, as the temperature has been taken from the sensor which is present inside the watch. So here you can see the temperature right now is 31 degrees Celsius and it can change with the ambient temperature of the room. So now I will discuss about the second way with which you can detect the temperature via this watch, and this way also can be the effective way if you don't want to install any app on this watch. So for this you need to open the dial pad and dial a number. So the number is *#0*#. So once you dial the number, it will open the diagnostic menu where you can diagnose each and every sensor of the watch. So you need to scroll down and you will find this sensor option which you need to click, and once you click on there you will get the option to see the temperature in the watch. So here you can see under the barometer sensor, the temperature sensor is present which is showing the correct temperature, and from here you can identify and get the temperature, and you can see it is changing rapidly as the temperature sensor is measuring the temperature in real time. And definitely this is one way you can find the temperature on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Also in this sensor diagnostic tool, you can check whether the sensors in your smartwatch are working fine or not. So definitely this is a really helpful thing to have on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and with these steps definitely you can get the temperature measurement on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.